In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a notification workflow in Smartsheet. If you want to keep teammates informed automatically without having to send manual updates every time something changes, setting up a notification workflow is a great way to do it. Smartsheet makes this process fairly simple, and once it's in place, it can save you a lot of time while helping everyone stay aligned. To begin, open the Smartsheet sheet where you want the notifications to happen. This is important because automation is created at the sheet level. So you'll want to make sure you're inside the exact sheet tied to the project, task list, or process you want to monitor. Take a quick moment to confirm you're in the right place before moving on. Once the sheet is open, click Automation. This is where Smartsheet stores the tools used to create automated actions like alerts, reminders, and approvals. When you open this area, you'll be able to start building a workflow that reacts to activity in your sheet. Next, choose Create Workflow. This opens the workflow builder where you'll define exactly when the notification should be sent and who should get it. The layout is designed to guide you through the setup, so just move through each section carefully. After that, select a trigger. A trigger tells Smartsheet what event should cause the notification to go out. For example, you might choose a date-based trigger if you want a message sent before or on a deadline, a change-based trigger if you want to notify someone when information is updated, or a new row trigger if you want alerts whenever a new item is added. Pick the option that best matches the type of update you want people to be notified about, then choose who should receive the notification. This step matters because the right message needs to reach the right people. Depending on your setup, you may be able to send notifications to specific individuals, contacts listed in the sheet, or others connected to the workflow. Make sure the recipients are appropriate for the kind of alert being sent so that notifications stay useful and not overwhelming. Now, write or customize the notification message. Keep the message clear and direct so recipients immediately understand what happened and what, if anything, they need to do next. A good notification should be informative without being too long. Finally, save and test the notification workflow. Saving makes the automation active, and testing helps you confirm that it works the way you expect. This is a smart final check to make sure the trigger, recipients, and message all function correctly. And that's how to create a notification workflow in Smartsheet. Once you've tested it successfully, you'll have an automated system that keeps updates moving without extra manual effort.